In this tutorial, I will show you how to mirror an image in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design in the top right corner. Next, choose Custom Size and enter 100 for the width and 50 for the height to create a simple canvas. After the blank canvas opens, add an image to your design. You can upload your own image from the Upload section or choose one from the Photos library. Click on the image to place it on the canvas. Once the image is selected, look at the top toolbar and click the Flip option. You will see two options: Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical. Select Flip Horizontal if you want to mirror the image from left to right. Select Flip Vertical if you want to mirror the image from top to bottom. If you want to compare the original and mirrored version, you can duplicate the image and apply the flip effect to one of them. You can then move the images around to create mirrored designs or creative layouts. Finally, review your design and click Share and then download to save your project.